Good afternoon, this is Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes. I apologize, I'm fighting the cold here, so hopefully you can understand me well enough. Out front of this house we completed 7 or 8 years ago called the Beaumont. I'm not sure if we still have a video on it. Unfortunately, we lost some of our best videos in a hack, but we keep adding more. So if you like what we do and feel like hitting the like button or especially the subscribe button to get more content, that would be greatly appreciated. But this house, we added a carriage house workshop for the previous owner. Now he's since sold it, somebody else bought it, but they called us back in to do some work on the inside. We originally built this as a workshop. So you had big doors there to pull in bigger piece of furniture and equipment. And this is a side door, comes right from the house. They're doing a bunch of work, they're adding a pool and we're decking this place out. But I'll show you what we're working on inside here. This was a workshop and he wanted a real plywood floor, the original owner, but they since put down a PVC LVP floor. But to work on it, we were adding a bedroom and stuff here, so we pulled up everything that was in the way, stacked it neatly, and we should be able to reuse it. And if not, we've got plenty more for upstairs, so we're hoping for a good result there. But anyway, this has got 10-foot ceilings, and it already had the mini split air conditioner up on the wall. So what this client opted to do was just build a wall up 8 feet so the air can still circulate. And that's going to be a bedroom area and have a bed. But since the guests are going to have this pretty much to themselves, they're not putting a door on it. The bedroom area will just be open. So there'll be a bed in there. This right here, got the plumbing in. Going to be a kitchenette, this for a sink. Kitchenette, put a nice diagonal brace here to keep this nice and square. During construction, the fridge is going to go here. There's going to be a living area over here. But for the workshop, all our receptacles were up at this height. Now we're moving them down. They want them at the standard 18-inch height. Plus, they're putting in a nice, beautiful swimming pool out here. That's underway. So we added a door for them here. And we're waiting for that door to come in. We just got it covered in plastic while that door comes in. For the bathroom, it was just like a powder room, just like a toilet and a sink. But we're making a full bath here. So we're gonna have a vanity over here, have a shower here. We still have to cut out some receptacles. We had to do some plumbing up there, so we had to cut some of that out. And we have the commode back there. So that's this project. Also upstairs, that was just like unfinished storage. Now these aren't oak stairs, they're southern yellow pine, but we should be able to stain them up and have them look serviceable rather than homeowner didn't want to go through the expense redoing that. But up here, we're going to put another mini split air conditioner in that wall. We're going to have to be able to access it through here. So we're going to add a door here. We framed that out. It's going to be a custom sized door. So they can have access, mini splits. The outdoor portion is going to run out back and they're going to sheetrock all this. It's going to be a nice workout room up here. First we're going to put some closet space in, but then they decided not to because they're going to have some storage over here. So that's going to be the project. Big one, but it's really nice when we come back and see people enjoying homes that we've built in the past. So hopefully when this is all complete, we can get you before and after pictures of it. But so far it's coming out real nice. We've had to cut a bunch of sheetrock out and we're going to have to redo some lighting and whatnot. Hopefully not cut out the sheetrock too bad, but we have to hang new sheetrock upstairs. So we're going to have sheetrockers here with mud and everything and they can fix it all. Yeah, we have to get a long strip out of there. When the sheetrockers come, they can put all that back together. So once again, thanks for watching. We'll keep you up to date on our projects. And hopefully you found something of value in here. If so, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll put our numbers below. Thanks for watching.